Hello my dear students. Myself Srimati S.K. Patil ma'am. I am teaching science subject in GSA school from last 10 years. Here today I am in front of you. We are going to start online classes because of COVID-19. As you know, schools are not started. So here COVID-19 is nothing but a coronavirus, which is a very viral disease is there. It is spreading throughout the world, which is a pandemic disease. And because of that, schools are not started till today. So here we started online classes, and as you know, I am teaching a science for the 8th standard. So here in a 8th standard science subject, there are totally 18 lessons are there. We are going to see about that introduction. Before that, as you know, here because of COVID-19, there is some points are there, that is stay at home, stay safe, and next one is there SMS means use sanitizer, mask and social distancing. These are very much important today, and so don't go out from the home and stay at home and stay safe. So here now we are going to see about the introduction of the science. As here, this year science subject is there, for that totally the lessons are there, the syllabus is there, that is a change for the science subject. So here which are that lessons, and science lessons are there that are, or syllabus is there that are changed, but again in that changing again there is a reduction of the 30% syllabus is there. So here that decided by the education ministers because of the here school still not started, and so here there is a reduction of 30% syllabus. Here new syllabus is there, in that again reduction is there, and which lessons are there, they are reduced or skipped, that we are going to see here. So which lessons are there that are reduced or skipped, we are going to see here totally for the new science syllabus which here introduced, in that totally 18 lessons are there. These 18 lessons are there. In the 18 lessons here I written which lessons are there not changed as it is. We are going to learn some lessons. Some lessons are there, they are skipped or deleted, that lessons are there in this year we are not going to learn. And here next one is there, some lessons are there, in that some concepts are there, they are skipped or reduced, and some concepts are there, they are given as a home assignment. So which lessons are there, they are skipped or deleted, that, and also which concepts are there that are skipped, that we are going to see here one by one. So there are totally 18 lessons are there. First lesson is there, crop production and management. So in the crop production and management there is no any changes, because this year you newly introduced that one, you not learned that lesson in the last year or before that year. So because of that, in that lesson no any changes, as it is you are going to learn that lesson. There are no any changes in the crop production and management, no any changes in that lesson, as it is you are going to learn. Next one is there, microorganism also. There are no any changes in that lesson also, because in the microorganism this lesson also this year introduced, and here you are going to learn as it is that lesson, no any changes in that lesson also. Next lesson is there, materials, that is the metals and non-metals, fourth lesson. So see, first lesson, second lesson, no any changes in the both lessons. Next one is there, that is the fourth lesson, metals and non-metals. That entire chapter is skipped, means you are not going to learn that lesson in this year. You are learning that lesson in the 10th standard also, and so that entire lesson is there, that is skipped, and some points you learnt in the last year also. Basic knowledge you got about that. So metals and non-metals, entire chapter is there, that is skipped here. You are not going to learn here in this year. Next one, sixth, that is a conservation of plants and animals. So conservation in plants and animals also there is a no any changes. As it is we are going to learn that lesson here, because that is a newly introduced, and so here as it is no any changes in that lesson, that is a conservation of the plants and animals. Next one is there, that is a cell lesson, structure and function of the cell. In cell lesson is there, entire chapter is there, that is skipped. Means here 2 lessons are there, these 2 lessons are there, they are entire chapters are there, they are skipped. Means cell and the metals and non-metals. These 2 lessons, entire chapters are there that are skipped or reduced for this academic year 2020 and 21 only. Here, and so cell lesson is there, that is also skipped. So here 2 lessons are there, they are skipped. These 3 lessons are there, first, second and the 6th, as it is you are going to learn. So this is about these here 5 lessons I told. But now remaining lessons are there, that is lesson number 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. These lessons are there. In these lessons what they done here about the some concepts are there, they are here skipped or reduced here, and also there is some home assignments are there for that concept you are going to do on that lessons. Which are that lessons are there? They are here reduce 3. Third lesson is there, that is the synthetic fibers and plastics. So concept 3.6 is there. You are going to learn that lesson again or that concepts about that. That is the concept 3.6 only. You are learning that one in 10th standard. So that is here reduced. Next one is there 5th lesson. In the 5th lesson, coal and petroleum, you are going to learn here concept 5.1 and 5.2. That is in the here standard 10th. So that is also here reduced. Only I am telling the lesson numbers here and the concepts which are reduced. That activity points are there or concept points are there. That concept number I am telling here. So next here 7th lesson is the force and pressure. In that also 7.1 and 7.6, 7.10. Here these are for the home assignment you are going to do. That lesson is as it is, only some concept points are there, that only here reduced. Friction lesson is there, in that also some 8.1 and 8.4 is there, they gave as a home assignment. Next sound lesson is there. In the sound lesson 9.1, 9.2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 is there, they given as a home assignment. So there is no any reducing there, home assignments are there, that concept, that activities are there, they gave as for the home assignments. Next combustion and flame is there, that 10.1 and 10.2 given as a home assignment, and some like a 10.1 and 10.4 you already learnt some points about that, and chapter 18 is there, that you are going here learning in here activity 10.1 and 4. So our environment in the 10th standard you are going to learn that concept, that points, so they are reduced here. Next one is the 12.2, you are going to learn that one here in the 10th standard again. Then 13th lesson is there, reaching the age of adolescence. In that also here concept 13.9 that you are going to learn in the 10th standard. So that is a skipped here again. 14th lesson, chemical effect and electric current. In that also some activities are there, they given as a home assignment, and some are there about metals and non-metals. In that some it is there points, there you are discussing that one in a 10th standard again. We are going to discuss it in a 10th standard. Next some natural phenomena. In that lesson there is some points, activities are there given as a home assignment, not reducing of the syllabus in that lesson. Next light lesson is there, they are also given as a home assignment 16.2, 7 and 8. And also there is a reflection and refraction, some points are there, you are going to learn that one in the 10th standard. 17th lesson, in that some activities are there, 17.6 and 17.8. Here about the astrophysics is there, in class 9th and 10th you are going to learn that points. So that are reduced here. Next lesson is there, lesson number 18, last lesson, that is a pollution of air and water. So here concept like 18.8 and 18.9, here you are, these concepts are there already, you are studied there in the here chapter 18th, that is a waste of water, and so in a class 7th you studied that one, and so that only concept 18.8 and 18.9 only reduced the remaining lesson as it is you are going to learn here. So here this is about the here you are going to learn in this academic year because of the year because of COVID-19, as you know that schools are not started still, and so there is a reduction of some syllabus. It is there, that is a 30% syllabus is there reduced. So from 1 to 18 lessons are there. Some are there as it is, some lessons as it is you are learning, and some lessons are there in that entire chapters are skipped. Only 2 chapters are there that are skipped here or deleted that one, and remaining lessons are there. In that there are some concepts are there that are skipped and some are given as a home assignment. So this is about the 1 to 18 lessons, and here I given some I written here on the board some lessons only name. Remaining which concepts are there or which activities are there for the home assignment, one link which we are giving for you in the WhatsApp, you have to follow that one and see here follow that properly, and that is introduction for the year 2020 and 21. So thank you.